Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a taste test challenge with my cat, seeing what one she likes better. I just have to find her. Can you see her? Darcy! Wait. Is that you? Darcy, are you under there? Oh, yep, that was you. Okay, so you're going to choose between ham and cheese. Okay? Okay? Let me boop. Boop. So, let me put the ham here. I don't actually think she'll choose any because it is quite hot. So, let's just see. That's ham. Oh, and there's cheese. Bobby, wait. Don't eat the cheese. Wait, look. Okay. What one do you want? I'm sorry. Get cheese? Oh. Do you want the cheese? Oh, she wants the cheese. Is that yummy? The way she just grabbed it, that was really cute. Or have you changed your mind now? Oh, no, you're licking it. Is that yummy? I should have broken that off a bit more. She's having trouble swallowing it. But she's fine, she's managing it. Aren't you, puppy? Is it cool under there? So I guess we're not having the ham then. Ham's just all alone. I'm taking the ham then. You want it? Do you want the ham? Darcy, look. Sniff it. Do you want the ham? Oh, yep. Okay. Why are you just licking it? Oh, okay. Oh, hold on. Let me help you. Okay, go on then. Good girl. Oh, good girl. I think she liked the cheese more because like the ham was in front of her first. She saw the ham first, but she just went straight for the cheese, and like afterwards she didn't really go for the ham. I had to probably put it in front of her. Let me break that up for you. So yeah, I think the cheese one. What did you think she would like better? Thanks for watching. Comment down below. Be sure to comment down below what one you thought she would like better.